Air fry grilled tomatoes, one of those quick and easy breakfast sides. If you love the grilled tomatoes you get at the breakfast buffet, then this is how to do it in the air fryer. Hello, my name is Samantha and I'm from the blog healthiest.com and also the voice behind the Kitchen Gadgets podcast, Magic with Gadgets. Today myself and my husband, who will be behind the camera, will be showing you the easiest of the easy, healthy air fryer and instant pot recipes. The ideal for beginners to instant pot and air fryers, but want something healthy that is just ridiculously easy to do and just perfect for when you're starting out with your new kitchen gadgets. And of course, this is part of our project of healthy instant pot and air fryer recipes. And don't forget to comment below with which kitchen gadgets you have, and also to subscribe to our channel and join our mailing list over at healthiest.com/newsletter, as we do have some amazing Learn Your Air Fryer and Learn Your Instant Pot courses to help you get you started on your kitchen gadgets journey. Also, this is how I do air fry grilled tomatoes. I have to say now that I'm a huge tomatoes addict. My granddad used to grow them in his allotment when I was growing up, and I used to love picking them from the vine and just digging in and eating tomato after tomato. I'm surprised I wasn't sick with how many tomatoes I used to eat. It was also my pregnancy craving with my eldest, who's now 19, so tomatoes is certainly my thing, and they're perfect for the air fryer. I recommend some big tomatoes like these ones that you can see here. We're out of season at the moment with tomatoes, which is ridiculous given how good these look. Which basically means that you pay a lot more for tomatoes in Portugal now compared to other times of the year. So I've got 4 tomatoes here, but I'm only going to do 2 because 4 of them are just perfect for sharing in the air fryer. I will do 1 for me and 1 for my husband, and we can have it as a side with, say, some chicken for lunch when the kids are at school. So start by chopping your tomatoes in half, so they are like that. And you've got 2 options now. You can season them while they're sat on the chopping board or in the air fryer. I find it's easier to season them directly from the air fryer, because then when you're transferring your tomatoes to the air fryer, you're not ending up with the oregano going everywhere. So let's get the air fryer basket out, shall we? So 4 tomatoes, or 2 lots of tomatoes, or 4 halves, depending what you call them. So seasoning, a bit of salt on them. Then any little bits that you've got. You can put pepper on them as well. And then the best ingredient of them all is the oregano. So what I do is I just do a little sprinkling on top of the oregano. And it's the oregano that I always end up losing if I actually sprinkle them on the chopping board. So if I do them like that, it's easier. You can also, if you follow the keto diet, a lot of our readers like to make these, and then what they do afterwards is they add some melted cheese on top of it and grate some and then add them in like that. But I like them like this. They're totally oil free, so they are perfect for Weight Watchers too. So place them in the air fryer, and once the air fryer is turned on, you want to set the temperature to 190 Celsius, 360 Fahrenheit, and the time to 8 minutes, and then press start. And the air fryer is beeped. Shall we check on our air fryer tomatoes? And there you have it, absolutely perfect air fryer tomatoes. Cooked, only took 8 minutes, and they are perfect. Of course, you can add more oregano, cheese if you like, and you can also do small sized tomatoes if you prefer that. So please comment below with which bread maker and air fryer you have at home in your kitchen. Here in the Milners, we have just a cheap bread maker that we got from Amazon Germany that we had shipped to us, and we also use the Philips Air Fryer XL, which we've had for a few years now. And if you are into air fryers and bread makers, do head over to healthiest, as we have a lot of recipes for you to choose from there, and all the recipes that we're mentioning in these videos you can find over there too. Thanks for watching. We have a huge collection of kitchen gadget recipes including air fryer, instant pot, slow cooker, soup maker and many others. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and follow us on social media. Best of all, join our newsletter at healthiest.com/newsletter. There we have plenty of printables, cooking time cheat sheets, free ebooks and mini courses to help you along your way in your kitchen gadgets journey.